Alright, we are home from Vermont. I didn't really film a whole lot, so whatever I got, I'm gonna upload. Let me know what you guys think. This was my second time ever mountain biking. We went to Killington, Vermont. It was a good time. Met some new friends, new people. Yeah, I rode BMX for a little bit, so like I kind of understood like the trails and stuff. I never thought mountain biking would be something I'm into, but it's pretty sick. I don't know if you guys have ever gone, but I'm gonna start messing with the GoPro settings and all that in some next videos, see if I can get some better quality. And hopefully I'm going mountain biking again, get some better footage. But you know, I didn't want to be shoving the camera on people's face and stuff. Just trying to have a good time. So I filmed a little bit. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for checking it out. Peace.
I'ma give it all I got, like 23, I stay on top.
Okay, what's going on? We are in Killington, Vermont, doing mountain biking, second time ever. It's beautiful out here. My hair kind of looks like I'm 8 years old, but I'm solo right now. Lost everybody. I didn't film too much on the way up here. Got the GoPro rolling, and I'm gonna go down this, meet up with the rest of them. All right. I got a fucking flat tire. Pants are falling down, people. Any of you that ride mountain bikes, my fingers, I can't open them. These Built-Well gloves suck. I can't open my fingers, like I'm trying so hard right now. Ah! Holy shit. Get like death grip. Okay. Hope this angle is good. Alright.
I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on